everyone! I'm so excited to start the 10-day $1 meal challenge. For the next 10 days, we'll show you how to make yummy meals for just $1 each. Today we're starting with our first $1 meal. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any recipes. Let's get cooking and have fun with the $1 meal challenge. Enjoy our first meal and this awesome journey!